At Hyperion Robotics, we have a team of structural engineers who like to collaborate with clients and engineers. Thanks to 3D printing, we're able to program the robot to create curves, straight lines, dips or peaks in order to achieve complex structures that are able to save up to 75% of material compared to a more traditional geometry. At Hyperion, we're aiming to be faster, cheaper, and more sustainable than traditional builds. Faster because we are able to utilize our 3D printing technology to manufacture an optimized formwork that we then reinforce. For a typical foundation that is 2 meters in width, traditionally it would take a week on site. With the Hyperion approach, it only takes an hour for us to 3D print the permanent formwork, place then the reinforcement bars, and infill it with self-compacting concrete. The second benefit is cost. Cost thanks to the amount of material that we're able to save, but also cost in terms of program. And finally, the more sustainable part. It's in our ethos and in our culture to be saving as much material as possible. This material saving enables easier logistics, less carbon in transportation, but also less carbon in the structure itself. At Hyperion Robotics, we are passionate about construction, challenging the status quo, and our promise to our clients is to build faster, cheaper, and more sustainable.